Hi everybody, it's Julie and I am here with card number 4 and I am using the digital kit from my Etsy shop, Dearjuliejulie, and this is the Easter kit. Now I cut up. Okay, so you get in the digital kit you get 4 of the vertical and you get these 4 images of Easter religious postcards. So what I have done is I have taken and I have copied or printed them on at the 5x7 size onto cream colored cardstock, and so this is what I have, this little mini postcard here. I have a hot buy card, and it's kind of creamy colored on the inside and a light green, very light green on the outside. So this has some gold in it. It has the Easter lilies. May your Easter be a very happy one. I like this one, and it does have a cross in it. So let's go over here in the doily section. Wow, I think that might be my last gold doily. I might have to go gold doily shopping. So there, I'm going to add a gold doily and maybe some lace. And there's the empty egg. It had Skittles in it. They're all gone. They were very good. I have this really cute flower trim. I don't have very much of it left, but I have some, so I think that would be really cute. Right there. And then, yeah, because I've used this already in a few. That would be pretty too, but I like this. And then we have some of these still. These ones don't have, they're more white. Not as yellow as the ones I used on the other. Is that double? It is. It's a double. It's a double. Okay. Kind of get an idea where I would want to put those if I was going to use them. And then I haven't had these out in a while, but I have these green flowers, and I actually bought these green flowers to be leaves. So I'm just going to pull the petals off. So, okay. I like that. And then we can embellish it more if we want to. So let's go ahead and start by putting down the gold doily. And you can make an embellishment in the same way, but instead of gluing it, you just glue everything to the doily. Maybe I'll do a video just doing that, because the embellishment clusters that I made for all 4 of these could literally be done like that. Okay. I finally get to be home today, but I have so much to do. So much to do. I just want to play or sleep. I might be a little bit tired. So go ahead and I've just gone ahead and attached the 2 pieces of lace. And then we have this. I really like this. I hope I can find more of that. I don't remember where it came from. Somebody might have given this to me. If you gave this to me, tell me. Okay, there we go. And it's even pretty just like that. Just like that. It's really pretty. You could put like one of the little pretty Easter on it, and that would be really pretty. But I'm going to go ahead and add these. And these are, they came off of this little thing. I think I got them probably at my $1.49 store. Are they? Yeah, they might be the ones from Dollar Tree, but I think they're from the $1.49 store. What is a $1.49 store? It's one of those generic dollar stores, but everything there, we call it the $1.49 because everything there is now $1.49. Oh, all the good stuff. Okay, so next we're gonna, I've got my glue gun over here. I'm just putting little dabs of glue on the thing. So I just put a little dab of glue underneath that, and at the bottom where I cut it from the center of the flower. So in this series, I've cut leaves from leaves that were bigger, and now I've used these. I used those fern pieces like this. We use some of the, oh, that would be pretty in there, wouldn't it? I'll save that though. We don't need it, right? Right. So sometimes, I mean, I've bought flowers before because of the greenery that was on the flowers. Because it was so pretty. I was like, oh, I like that. I would use that. Okay, so pull some more petals off. So just a couple more of these, and then we need to come up with a center. And I had an idea, a different idea for this one, for the center, but because the other video got cut off, I'll show you that center. Okay, so now I want a trail to come down here a little bit, so I'm going to go underneath that leaf and bring it down so that it comes down just a little bit. And then I'm going to do the same thing up here. And the cool thing about, when you layer like that is things look like they're really on purpose, I think. Okay, so we're looking for the Queen Anne's lace. There it is, the little Queen Anne's lace piece. And we're going to go ahead and cut a piece off. Okay. And this is what we're going to use for the center, is a piece of this Queen Anne's lace. So I'm going to go back over, I'm going to put some glue on the bottom, come up and put it in, and there we get that fluffy look in the inside. I really like that. So I have been known to rebuild silk flowers to make arrangements. Maybe I don't like the center of a flower and I'll take it out and put something else in it. Make it, especially, I usually trying to make things look more real. So there is those in there. Okay, so now we've got to glitter because we've been doing that. And I'm going to go ahead and glitter these just a little. And then I'm going to glitter that, and then I'm going to have it come out from the center. I don't know if you can see that, but I took most of the glitter off the brush. Okay. So that gives us that look. Then we have the crosses. These are from Hobby Lobby, and I wasn't gonna put anything on here, but the more I look, I really think I like this one on there. Now I'm not gonna put it right on top of it. I'm gonna kind of put it at the edge so that it is covering it, but I want to be able to see both of the Easter lilies. So I'm gonna put it like this. Okay, so there we go. That is our last card, except that we had some bling over here, and it's gold, and I'm going to put it right on the floor. No. Darn, because I was like, that was perfect to use that because it's on my desk. But now it's on the floor and I don't see it. Let me see. Get up and shake. Nope. Sorry about that. Okay. Well, if we can close this, we can get to where there's more of those. I love that bling. It's one of my favorite things is the bling, and I'm not seeing any gold. I'm all the way to the back. Oh, there's one more in the back of the back. Okay, so if I pull out the blue, I can get to the gold. So this is the bling that they have in the $1.50 section at Michael's. I call it faceted bling because there's actually not a bling in there, which is cool because that means you won't lose a bling. It won't fall out because there isn't one there to fall out. Well, let's center it. There we go. Yeah, I like that. That finished it. And so there's one somewhere down on the floor also. So our 4 cards. So we have this card, and this one actually could use that envelope. So we have the envelope where I showed you how to make an insert for your envelope to make it even nicer. Then we also, I showed you about cutting some really nice like tissue paper to put inside, and that makes it, and you know, the old vintage cards, a lot of them had things that felt like this. The other thing that you can do is cut a full sheet and then sew it in, and a lot of cards would be like this. So you could also make this into a sympathy card if you had stamps or something that, and just be able to go, you know, just add some more flowers onto it. So anyway, so that's card number 4. This was card number 3. We have card number 2 and card number 1. I'd love to know which one was your favorite. So please let me know in the comments down below. And there you go. So again, this digital kit is available in my Etsy shop. You get the images. You'll be able to download them right away, and you can go to work and make yourself cards and have them ready way before Easter or before Thursday or Friday, your last day of work this week. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you like to listen and hear my, or like to watch, you like to watch my videos, make sure that you ring that little bell up at the top up there, and it'll notify you when my videos come up. I've had people tell me that they actually asked if I was still making videos because they hadn't seen any pop up. So maybe things have changed and we need to tell it that you want to watch them. So find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Have an amazing day, and thank you for being here. Bye.